Hello everyone, my name is Pam Mariah and I would like to welcome you to my channel Virtual World ED. In this channel, I will be posting instructional videos for the course I have created called Building Educational and Interactive Virtual Environments. In the last couple of years, we have seen how online education has revolutionized the way people complete their studies. But in the last couple of months, we have seen that online education is not just for working adults anymore. It has helped students from all ages and grades continue their studies, and stay in touch with teachers and professors. Now, I have completed most of my education online. I was born and raised in Costa Rica and immigrated to Brooklyn, New York when I was 12 years old. By the time I was a permanent resident, I was already a working adult. I was never able to go to school full-time or had that real college campus experience. So most of the online learning I had, in comparison to the few classes I was able to take on campus, seemed distant. There was hardly any social interaction and definitely did not feel like a real class. It wasn't until I took Learning with Emerging Technologies with Dr. O'Connor at SUNY Empire State College that I felt truly engaged again. Virtual environments are an attractive, integrating, and stimulating way students can participate in class. It has that three-dimensional feel that makes it feel like you're really there. You can take walks together, you can converse, you can interact, you can view presentations, and most importantly, you can sit in the same classroom, virtual classroom, that students from another state, from different parts of your state, and even the country. So this course is to help educators build and customize the virtual environments to enhance their online course. I hope to see you soon.